Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto from Binance. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. So right here, let's start with depositing. To deposit, all you have to do is go to the top left section where you can see the three dots, and you have to be on the exchange tab. Once you do that, it's going to show you this page, and then from here click on more services, and then from here you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see deposit. Once you see deposit, it's going to show you all the options of cryptocurrencies that you might want to choose from, so either Ethereum, USDT or Bitcoin or whatever. Simply click on one of them, and then from here it's going to show you the network chain that you're going to use. Click on it, and then from here click on OK, and as you can see right here, this is the deposit address that you can copy and then submit it to any other app. So for example, if we go back to MetaMask and then from here open it, then you can simply log in. And then from here, once you see Ethereum, all you have to do is click on send, and then you're going to paste the address, and then from here click on next, and then add whatever amount you would like. And once you click on next, it will send it directly. Now to withdraw, all you have to do is go back to the Binance account right here, and then go to the assets section on the bottom right, and then simply click on send. Once you click on send, as you can see, there's on-chain withdraw and send to Binance users. Click on the on-chain withdraw, and then from here select whatever currency you might want. So for example, USDT. And then from here, you're going to select whatever address you might want. So for example, if we go back to MetaMask, and then from here, we're going to go back. And so we're going to copy our own address. So from here, we're going to click on fund or swap, receive. And then from here, you're going to copy the address, go back, and then simply paste it right here. Select whatever network is suitable for it, so for example Ethereum, and then from here select whatever amount, and then click on withdraw, and you're settled. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.